Hello everyone and welcome to the Crown Lounge. Today we're going to make a pink lady, right? Pink lady is a gin base cocktail with a little bit of applejack in it. And it also has egg white, right? Since it has egg white, we're gonna go with a shaker cup first so we can dry shake it with no ice. First, we're going to go 1.5 ounces of gin, London dry gin. All right. Next, we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of applejack, apple brandy. We're going to go with 1/4 ounce of grenadine. Next, we're going to go with 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, already squeezed. And last but not least, egg white. So what we want to do now is a dry shake without any ice first, so that the egg whites can help with the froth. We're going to shake it for a while. Your arms get tired. This is going to make it, it's going to help with the froth buildup. All right, next, we're going to add some ice. Oh, yeah. That way, it can be nice and chilled. Boop. And there it goes. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that. It's so pretty and frothy. And there you have it. A pink lady. Cheers. Not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.